Guys, welcome to Bitcoin Daily, 9 a.m. Central European time on the dollar. We do this every day, Monday to Friday, because we gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else. Of course, guys, the most important thing we gotta know today is whether this is gonna go up or not. And guys, I gotta tell you, I'm super optimistic. Right now might be just the best time to long everything towards the moon. I'm gonna explain to you why. It does look very, very good. I was actually thinking it's gonna pop yesterday. It did not pop yesterday. It did pull back down to the 50 moving average, as you can see the yellow line up here on the screen. And right now it's having a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame above the moving averages, above the resistance. It looks so good. Right now we're getting a pullback right here over on the 4-hourly time frame. 4-hourly candle up here just started 17 minutes in on the 4-hourly candle. The pullback right now that's happening right now, it's perfectly normal, pulling back on the first start of the pullback, but the candle is legit. The move is about to happen, guys. I believe so strongly this is gonna go I don't know if it's gonna go to 25k or something like that, but there will be big move today, I think. And I think I'm stupidly bullish. I'm stupidly bullish. This might be the last leg towards the upside. If we get above 25k, you know, bam, everybody gonna get wrecked, of course. I've seen a lot of people are still shorting. They're saying this is gonna drop down, so forth, so forth. I'm not quite there yet. I'm not quite there yet, and I think it's more likely to pop than drop. So there is that. How's everybody doing in chat? 25 CD. Hello, bro. How you doing, man? Edward, what's up? How you doing? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Garrett, pump it. Full moon. When full moon pump? Yeah, when is the full moon, man? When is the next full moon? I just saw yesterday. I was out and I saw the moon, and it was only like, you know, 2/3 full, you know, half moon or something like that. So yeah, I think we have time. I think we have time. We can check it out when the next full moon is. You know, just quickly up here, check it up very, very quickly. Not this one, not this one, this one over here. 2023, I think we are 2023. Let's see up here, January. We are right now January 27. Full moon is on the 5th of February, so you know we got a little bit more time. The moon will be looking on the opposite side of the earth as the sun and its face will be fully illuminated. So we got a full moon on the February 5th. That's all the way up here. Where is the full moon? 5th. Over there. That's the full moon. So you know we can definitely go up here and then go even more towards the upside, of course, on the full moon. So we're gonna see how that actually plays out. The new moon is not actually dumping us towards downside. You can see up here we got the new moon up here, but it's not dumping us towards downside. This is actually a very, very good. The previous full moon did pump us big time towards the upside, and the moon, you know, new moon before that did not dump us big time towards downside. There was no big dumps over here. The same goes for this moon up here. There was no big dumps up here. The full moon put us up a little bit, but you can see right now that new full moon you know, did, you know, explode, and this new moon is not doing that much. So you know the question is gonna do this move up here and then towards the upside? I don't know, but February the 5th is the big is the moon moon up here. So you know we just gotta, you know, assume that it's gonna be, you know, good times. Holochain beta today. How is Holo doing? I haven't been checking Holo, you know, forever. There we go, Holochain up here. We got a full moon up here on the top up here. It did, you know, is doing this, you know, curvature side up here. So you know hopefully it's gonna break towards the upside. But let me just see quickly up here. Let's remove the moons for whatever reason. Up here it looks like it's slowly climbing up here. Look here, man, slowly climbing up here towards the upside. So yeah, towards the upside, right? Maybe let's see if the trend is broken up here yet. Yeah, the trend is broken. Like, it doesn't matter. Yeah, the trend is definitely broken above 10-20 moving average. Looks nice. I would say the next resistance that's, you know, 26.80 or something like that. Maybe, you know, Holochain beta and stuff like that, you know, might actually help that move towards the upside. So we're gonna see how that actually plays out. Anyone long in Apecoin? Apecoin is doing well right now. It's up 3-4% if I recall right now. 3.8% towards the upside. I was just checking Apecoin, and you know it might be some, you know, doing some kind of you know, weird rising wedge stuff up here. But if it breaks this resistance up here, it just might be very, very nice move towards the upside over here. So we are waiting for that to happen, and we're gonna see how that plays out. Good morning, Thomas. What's up? Gears, when the Mars? What? I don't know, man. Tyler likes dobro jutro. Literally just came on and heard you cough. Perfect timing. Perfect timing, of course. Of course. 9 a.m. on the dollar. We are in the shop. Gord, it could go to 25 before crashing, but it's already been rejected off the weekly 200 EMA. Who cares about emotional moving averages, man? We don't look at emotional moving average. We don't care about that. Rick, let's be. Good morning, Tiela. Good morning. How you doing? Iraqis, good morning. What's up? Edward, yes. Tyler likes. Cup and handle pattern. Nope, not cup and handle pattern. I've seen a lot of people, you know, drawing this cup and handle pattern up here. Let me show you up here on the daily time frame. This is they're saying that this is a cup and handle pattern up here right now that's gonna play out. This is not cup and handle pattern. There is no I don't see the cup and handle pattern. I gotta tell you, I gotta be honest with you. You know, cup and handle pattern is more like, you know, a very nice curvature on the bottom side where it, you know, explodes to a resistance and pulls back. I don't see anything that resembles. I mean, you can definitely say it's cup and handle pattern, but it's a very weird one. And usually this weird stuff, it's probably not. Are you aware of Pundi X coin? Yeah, I'm aware of Pundi X coin. Pundi X coin in the previous bull run was, you know, big I would say Indian coin or something like that, you know, and it was being shilled big time, but you know, I was always regarded you know, that coin to be some kind of scam because it was being shilled so much. So there is that. Guys, let's look at what's happening with Bitcoin right now, and is this actually good or bad? As you can see on the daily time frame, we did not have a bearish engulfing candle, a red candle down here as Nami said we were gonna have. So, you know, there is that. There was no red candle, and you know, this doji up here at the top is actually quite nice. You can see up here on the daily time frame that we are slowly increasing the volatility up here. Had a, you know, small red candle, small green candle, bigger green candle, bigger red candle, bigger green candle, and right now we are getting this green candle over here. So this candle over here, it's not yet played out. We went all the way down to the 10 moving average up here right now, so I don't see any reason why we should not continue towards the upside over here when you're looking at the daily candles. Maybe there's some kind of resistance level line up here at the top. Let's see, something like this over here, and on bottom side there might be something like this up here. Maybe there is some kind of rising channel up here, give or take. Let's go to the 4-hourly just see if that's correct. Up here, something like this, maybe, give or take, maybe some kind of channel up here. It is channeling, but if this channel breaks towards the upside, it's just gonna explode through everything. Of course, Salim, 16 months. There are not many people who are doing 16 months, man. Thanks for being here all the 16 months, man. Appreciate the support. One of the biggest TM members. You're the real OG. Yeah, exactly. What's up? What's up? Salim and his wife Selena already been simping for 16 months. Yeah, Peter, we like the simps on this scale. You know, guys, if you are simping for girls, that's bad. But if you are simping for YouTubers, that's very good. You know, if you're simping for YouTubers, that's very good. No problem. No problem simping for YouTubers. Is Crypto still active? Yeah, he's active. He just posts he's posting a lot of stuff on Twitter right now. So there is here right now. There might be some kind of channel up here, or a rising channel up here, give or take. It looks nice. Now, the most bullish thing up here on the chart right now. Yesterday, we were up here. I don't know if you remember, up here on this 4-hourly candle. And I was actually thinking this is just going to bounce right off of these moving averages towards the upside. It did not do that. It fell through, went down to the 50, almost to the 50, not on the dollar, very close, down. But look what just happened, guys. Look what just happened. Bullish engulfing candle right back above the moving averages. And not only that, we managed to make a higher high up here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's zoom in very nicely. We made a higher high up here on the chart over here. So we did three things: bullish engulfing candle above the moving averages, up, you know, creating a higher high on the chart. Let's see if there is any kind of divergence. Unfortunately, there is a huge divergence up here on the chart. So, you know, be a little bit careful up here. There is a huge divergence. So this goes towards upside, this goes towards downside. There is a huge divergence up here on the chart. The momentum is a little bit, you know, losing pace, but the momentum and the price is going the same way up here. I think this might actually break, especially like these two, you know, these two momentum switches up here on the downside. So you're gonna see that there's definitely some kind of, you know, bearishness that might actually play out. over here before it actually goes towards the upside. So, you know, be careful about that, be careful. But, you know, I really like when I see bullish engulfing candle above the moving averages, or, you know, right back up there again, you know, higher high up here. It does shows bullishness. I am still, you know, bullish even with this divergence. I'm still, you know, keeping the bullishness alive. So there's that. Let's see the volume up here. The volume has been, you know, bleeding towards downside. I think something is gonna happen over here. You can see up here it's bleeding towards downside a little bit. Technically it's just going kind of sideways over here right now. So, you know, it's just the trading range. People are, you know, trying to get good entry points and so forth, so forth. Let's go to the 2-day time frame up here. On the 2-day time frame, the momentum has been going down a little bit late, but it's going down while we are consolidating up here, so there is no problem with momentum up here. Also, the MACD up here has been holding this, you know, 80 levels for a while right now. There has been no divergence up here, and up here there is, let's see up here, higher high. No, there is still no divergence on the chart on the 2-day time frame, so I would say this looks okay. So even though we got some kind of 4-hourly divergence on the chart, I wouldn't be that, you know, that pessimistic just yet. Now if you see some kind of, you know, bigger time frames up here, you know, the 200 moving average, the 50 moving average, the top up here, we haven't come close to those levels. We are a little bit extended from 10-20 moving average, but I would assume that, you know, these levels can definitely be hit before we get some kind of, you know, pullback up here and maybe the breakout up here towards the upside. On the 2-day time frame, we got also 200 moving average all the way up here. You know, so some major levels have not been hit yet. Beside this 10, 50 and 20 moving average up here, beside this level up here, we haven't, you know, and this is also a monthly time frame, so this is a very important level, 23k. Beside this level, these levels up here have not been hit yet. And when I say have not been hit, I mean they haven't been tested yet. They haven't been tested. These are also, you know, even these weekly and daily, you know, resistance level, they are very, very important. You see here we had a wick towards the upside, but we didn't actually, you know, go all the way up there. You know, we tested nothing, right? So I would say that this has definitely probability more for the upside, and I'm not that much bearish. Now on the 4-hourly, there seems to be a divergence up here on the chart, but besides that, it does look okay-ish. Let's see up here on the 1-hourly time frame. Up here we are still, you know, going inside this trend over here. We're still not above the trend line, and right now we're getting this pullback a little bit towards the downside over here. There was also some kind of support line up here. We went through that and right back to the resistance right now. So right now I think it's very important to break this resistance towards the upside, and as soon as we see breakout towards the upside, I think it's pretty much over. I think that this is gonna pump towards the upside. Now today is Friday, so the big question is, are we gonna pump today, or are we gonna, you know, wait after the weekend? Is there more, you know, sideways, you know, motion to come up here until the weekend and then pump towards the upside? Yeah, those are big questions. Those are big question. But I wouldn't say that this is, you know, that bearish or anything like that. Not only that, I would say this is actually quite bullish, especially this, you know, the big green bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hourly time frame does give me optimism. So I will probably be making some long positions and, you know, trying to pump it. Yesterday we did trade a little bit and we had a dodge long. I closed actually the dodge long in 2% profit because I was seeing some kind of shady business going on with the Bitcoin. So I was like, you know, it was bad entry. Now the sand long was up 20%. Let me show you up here. You can see up here our entry point, 10x entry long. We entered all the way down here on our sand long, so you know, up here it was up like something like 20% up. I think, yeah, 20%, 2% times 10, yeah, 20% up. So at one point we had like 20% move towards the upside, and I did see that, you know, it is kind of looking a little bit shady. It could fall down, but since the entry was so good, I was like, you know what, let's just, you know, take a bet and hope it's gonna, you know, like if he had some kind of entry down up here or something like that, some kind of bad entry, I probably wouldn't let this go. I would probably have taken, you know, 5% profits up here and, you know, just be finished with it. But since the entry was so good up here, I was thinking even if it falls down there, there is a, you know, probability that it can bounce if Bitcoin does well. Now Bitcoin didn't do well. It dumped big time towards downside. You can see up here this move down here, but I did put stop loss down here at entry, so we didn't lose anything. But it's kind of what are you gonna say, it kind of feels bad when you have, you know, 20% profits and you end with the up with nothing, you know. It kind of feels bad, I gotta tell you that. But Besides that, doesn't matter. We are still, you know, we still got money on the account. New day, new possibilities, you know, new trades, no problem whatsoever. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do it. The big question, of course, is this resistance gonna get broken or not? So we're gonna keep on watching it. There's that, guys. Looks good. DXY up here, still doing down here a little move. Will this actually break towards upside up here and continue a little bit towards upside and crash the Bitcoin a little bit? That depends to be seen. S&P 500 up here is making new highs up here on the chart. There's still a resistance up here at the top that's not broken yet. So this resistance needs to be broken to actually explode, but you know, we are not quite there yet. Today's Friday, so the big questions are, of course, will this move up here eventually break towards the upside? Because right now, I mean, yes, we are getting higher highs, but you know, the resistance is still not broken, still intact, So will S&P go or not? I don't know, guys. We are at resistance. Bitcoin is not technically at resistance. I mean, it is at resistance at monthly time frame on the 50 moving average and 10 moving average. So technically it is at some resistance, but you know, the major one, 25k, we are not quite there yet. On the other hand, S&P 500 looks like a little bit strong, but it's still some kind of resistance, right? So we just gotta continue following the charts, read the charts, don't read the news, guys, and you know, we're gonna see how this plays out. Can I simp for Crypto and Carl, or only you? No, you can simp for everybody. All the YouTubers are good simp. You know, you can simp for all the YouTubers. We use both EMAs and EMAs. Sometimes EMAs are better, sometimes EMAs are better. No, we don't. We never use EMAs. Never. TL Gemcoin gods has started to move. No way. Let me see up here. Where are the gaming coins? I had one. Delete symbols. Low cap altcoins. Where is gods? There is gods. 20%. Oh man, this thing. Did it start to move? Now this thing can actually do a pretty violent move. This is like, you know, 5-6%, you know, 500-600%. So gods can definitely do nice moves towards the upside. It did start to move a little bit. Nice catch, man. Nice catch. The trend over here definitely got some kind of broken. Right now it's climbing higher highs, it's in some kind of resistance up here above 20 moving average, getting ready for a big moves. And you can see these big moves can even do something like 100%. So these very low cap altcoins can definitely do some insane moves. Good morning, Francis. How you doing, man? XRP legend. Good morning. What's up? Get to 50 likes. We only got 10 likes. I mean, what's up with that? Check out Christopher Mullen interview on Kitco today. Yeah, I will. I actually like Christopher Mullen. He's okay. I like him. It's like seeing your profit disappear. You got to TP at least 25% of your position. I don't know. Do you think I should close my sand long then? I'm pretty much at even right now. I don't know. Like yesterday, I put my sand long in you know, stop loss at break even at entry because I saw that, you know, scam gods unchained. It might be a scam, but why do you care if it's a scam if it pumps like, you know, 10x? I don't care, man. I don't care. If it pumps 10x, it's, you know, it can be as much scam as it wants for me. I really don't care. So, you know, right now, whether this is gonna pump more or not, especially, so I need to look at the charts again. I need to see, you know, what's happening. You can see up here on the weekly, wow, on the weekly time frame, up here, this pullback down on the weekly 10-20 moving average is super nice. This happens on a lot of coins. It gets above the moving average, just pull back up here, and then, you know, continues towards upside. This actually looks good on the weekly time frame. So, but you know, will it right now pull back, you know, pull even more back and then bounce, or will it just bounce? Because this is a weekly time frame, so it can take a little while, right? We still got, you know, entire weekend actually for this to play out. Like, brother, can you chat Tata Fuel? Oh, it hit resistance up here. This pump up here was, you know, 77% pump, hit resistance. It's gonna probably pull back. It's pretty much over. Yeah, I just did that. It did a, you know, insane move. I don't know. 55% in 3 hours. Don't chase the pumps, guys. Down here, you can see up here, you know, these small move, but you know, these explosive moves. There we go, guys. There we go. The Puni X scam coin is looking for insane move. Yeah, probably is. I don't know. I was regarding a scam coin. Like I always say, like in bull markets, every scam coin pumps like a lot more than Bitcoin does. So you know, who cares whether it's a scam or not? And I'm not calling it scam coin. Just that's just my opinion on the shilling that I've seen around when it comes to Pundi X coin. I actually don't know anything about the coin. The late adopter. You ever watch Mitch Ray? He's good. No, I don't like Mitch Ray. He does harmonics. I don't like harmonics. I used to watch Mitch Ray before, but you know, I really don't like him anymore. Like, he's shilling his Patreon all day long. He isn't providing any that much of value to anybody else, right? So I don't know. And he's doing the harmonics. I don't know if he stopped doing harmonics, but you know, doing the Fibonacci's and harmonics and all this kind of crap, and you know, that's not my thing. But yeah, I watched him before. I don't watch him anymore. Goat is the go. What do you think about ETH right now? Higher lows? Nah, it's still going inside this channel up here. Daily managed to get back above 10 moving average, but still pushing back down here. It looks kind of weak up here. More weak than Bitcoin, though. I gotta tell you that. It looks more weak than Bitcoin. So it needs to hold this support level down here, over here. Let's see the daily time frame. Yeah, I would say the 20 moving average. So this can continue for a couple of. But if it falls out of the channel towards downside, it's pretty much done. But right now it's at some kind of bottom down here. So you know, it might be some kind of nice moves towards the upside. But I haven't watched it that much. There is not much talk about Ethereum. Why your subs didn't increase in this bull market? What you mean? In the bull market, I went from 133 subs to 35k subs. I don't know what you're talking about. In the bull market, my subs increased. It's the bear market that effed me up on a high time frame. What? New X liquidity provider. Appreciate it. So there's that, guys. There he is. Yeah, Gort is here. So there we go, guys. Beside the 4-hourly divergence and stuff like that, I do think that Bitcoin is doing well. I do still hope that this is gonna bounce towards upside. Can we drop down? Of course, guys. Of course. Not a financial advice. We can always drop down. But I will be looking for longs right now. I will be looking for something that's gonna pump nicely, and I will, of course, also announce in the Telegram chat, as always, where I buy or sell. Morning. So every time I buy and sell, you will know in the chat, guys. You will know in the chat. TFN's Club. How many times a day you say I'm not sure while talking? It is very important to say I'm not sure. When you tell somebody something, blah blah blah, the Bitcoin and crypto is the best thing ever. It's gonna take over the world. But you always end the shilling with. But but what do I know? I'm not so sure. You just tell people that if it goes the other way, it's not my problem. Maybe scam week into the mid-20s. We are lucky to be amongst the ones tuning in. Your analysis taught me much, and I'm extremely grateful to be a subscriber. Adam, thanks, Eldon. I hope that can be of some kind of value to you. As long as I can provide value to you guys at the same time as I make something back, it's a win-win situation. And when it comes to other YouTubers, guys, I have a lot of subscribe to a lot of YouTubers, a lot of guys doing technical analysis, but I don't watch that many people. And the people I watch is the people that give me some kind of value back, something I can learn from them, These people I watch. Because if you watch somebody and you are just listening to this, hopium stuff all the time, you're not learning anything, just find somebody else. Your time is valuable, guys. You sell when YouTubers starts buying Lambos. Yeah, sounds about right. And the celebrities come again. Yeah, so we are not quite there yet. People still think this is a scam. As long as people think Bitcoin is a scam, we're good. Who? Name some. I don't know. Whoever. I listen to Ivan Oteh a lot. Just say that. The only people to watch are Garrett Soloway. No. Chris Vermeulen, I think he has interesting ideas, so I do like to listen to him, but he doesn't, he's not providing that much value. Only Gord is buying Bitcoin at 3K. Anyways, guys, that's it for me up here. Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin looks good. I think the move might come very, very soon. Again, I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna be looking for long positions right now. Only listen to bears. I will not take. No, like there are people I listen to that got nice ideas, and then there are people I watch that has nice TA. One of the guys that has nice TA is Crypto Noob. I like him because he always finds very nice patterns, and I'm very big on patterns. He does, some kind of, Fibonacci and stuff like that, but, he's very big on patterns. So if I'm, stuck, don't know what kind of pattern to look at, I will check out, Crypto Noob, see what he is seeing, because he also checks a lot of other channels, I don't watch Crypto or Call the Moon anymore. I think, their time is, over. They are very sensationalist, and you don't get much value of watching Crypto. It's nice entertainment, but there is no value. Crypto Save is, I gotta say it's just crap. It's just crap. So Crypto Save is, I watch Crypto Save from time to time, just see what kind of crazy ideas he's coming up with. Now, if we do fall down to, 14K or 13K, Crypto Save is gonna explode on YouTube. There's that. Fibs is Fibs my. Okay, guys, that's it. You can find another YouTube channel to fight about who is bigger crap. But that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna go look for I'm gonna take a drink my coffee. I'm gonna relax a little bit, put some nice tunes on YouTube, and I'm gonna look for long positions. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I will start looking for long positions right now. Guys, thanks for stopping by, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, maybe even later today. We're gonna definitely do trading, so make sure to stop by, and we're gonna see if we can get to the 410 million, a little bit higher up. I mean, 20% is a lot of money, man. Should have taken the 20%. I need a new rule. Anything above 10% is take profit target. Have a good day, bro. Yes, look for longs lower. Yeah, Gorten Roste needs to find a room. Linda, I'm totally with you. By the way, Linda, nice to have you back in the chat. Guys, take care. Enjoy the day. Do not listen to bears. There's so much fun and so many bears in the chat that are shorting, telling this is gonna go down, this is gonna go down. It might go down, but the lines are not broken, guys. The lines are not broken. When the line gets broken, I don't know where the line is, something like this, maybe even something like this over here. When the line gets broken, then we can say, okay, the line is broken, the trend is broken. But it's not broken, so look for longs. Guys, I'll see you around. Bye-bye. He'll form at 40K. And join Bybit, guys. Join Bybit. Only 250K and you get 30K sign-up bonus.